Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. A consensus has not been found at EU leaders dinner. http ntvforex.com News ID 28ED94 21 GMT by Ross J. Berland. There are reports that no consensus has been found at EU leaders dinner. A European Union plan to breathe life into economies throttled by the COVID-19 pandemic hung in the balance on Sunday. Leaders have quarreled over how to carve up a vast recovery fund and what strings to attach for countries it would benefit. After 3 days of meetings in Brussels, the 27 EU states were still seeking a compromise on the fund after haggling into the evening over moves designed to help haul Europe out of its deepest recession since World War II. Diplomats said it was not clear whether they would abandon the summit and try again next month, or plow on through the night. Key points. Reuters reports on the following key points. A €1.8 trillion $2.06 trillion package for the EU's next long-term budget and recovery fund is in the balance. The €750 billion proposed for the recovery fund would be raised on capital markets by the EU's Executive European Commission and funneled mostly to hard-hit Mediterranean Rim countries. European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde said it would be better for the EU leaders to agree an ambitious aid package than to have a quick deal at any cost. Ideally, the leaders' agreement should be ambitious in terms of size and composition of the package. Even if it takes a bit more time, she told Reuters. Lagarde's comments suggested she was relaxed about the possibility of an adverse reaction on financial markets if the summit fails, especially as the ECB has a €1 trillion plus war chest to buy up government debt. A group of frugal wealthy North European states have pushed for a smaller recovery fund and sought to limit how the payouts are split between grants and repayable loans. Another attempt at reaching a compromise failed. Key points. Reuters. On Sunday evening, another attempt at reaching a compromise failed. A deal envisaging €400 billion in grants down from a proposed €500 billion was rejected by the thrifty North, which said it saw €350 billion as the maximum. A Dutch proposal for higher budget rebates faced opposition over concerns that these changes would hit the EU's flagship plan to come to net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. The volume of grants is make or break, one diplomat said, as the leaders continued discussions over dinner. There were also differences over a proposed new rule of law mechanism that could freeze funding to countries flouting democratic principles. Market implications. Eyes on the euro for the start of the session. It was last week's top performer. The chart of the week EUR/USD to complete a reverse hamp S prior to next leg higher. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.